How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if your restricted mode is on and you want to turn it off, I'll walk you through the steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on gear icon at the top right corner. And once you are in your settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as general. Now here in the general section, you need to simply scroll down and here you can see restricted mode. So simply toggle it off and you are all good to go. And that's it. Now you will have full access on YouTube content. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.